To access the knowledge base and documentation, just go to our main website at openvpn.net. From there, click on Resources in the menu bar, then select your product's documentation. For example, I'm clicking on CloudConnexa documentation. On the next page, you'll find links to the knowledge base, tutorials, videos, and support. Right now, we're on the knowledge base page. You can choose your role, let's say you're the owner, and you want to learn about product configuration and features. Go ahead and select Owner. On the left-hand menu, you'll see a list of topics with everything you might need to understand the product's features. Clicking on any of them will open more sections with detailed instructions on how to set things up. If you click on Tutorials at the top, you'll see two sections: Use Case Tutorials and Configuration Tutorials. For example, if I choose Use Case Tutorials, I can walk through the steps to set up the product for specific scenarios. Next, under Videos, you can pick what kind of instructional content you're interested in. From there, you can narrow it down to the exact video that fits your needs. And if you ever need help or have questions, just click on Support and submit a support ticket.